Hello, Internet. I'm here with Walter today, and I'm going to be taking you through the new sound design recording session sample pack number 2. So inside the SDRS number 2 folder, there are 2 folders, dry and processed. In the dry folder, there are 2 other folders, long and short, and inside are a collection of 90 plus samples that I used my Marshmallow contact mic to record on glass, metal, plastic, using wood implements, metal, and different techniques, whether that's striking or scraping. And so you should have plenty of things to play with. Let's look at the samples. So in the long folder, we have blowing into glass bottles. Those are quiet, so you might want to amplify those a bit. Scrapes. And that's it for the long samples. In the short samples, we have a compressed air can that I was striking. Glass bottles. Again, blowing into the glass bottles. That's buzzing on some glass with a stick. This was a glitch effect that I thought was cool from the actual contact mic. This was a metal bowl. Plastic. And then again, playing with a stick and buzzing on the plastic. Some scrapes. A spring. And then a thump that you can use for kick drums or whatever. But I did place kick drums in the process folder. Here are a couple kicks. And then there are just like some ambient textures and atmospheres, as well as some percussive sounds and just kind of random effects that you can use. So that's an idea of the samples in the new sound design recording session number 2 pack that you can get on my website, agentofnoise.com. My puppy is whining quite a bit. So I hope you enjoyed this pack. Like my video, comment, subscribe, please, and I will see you in the next one.
Like